Hi guys, my name is Valerie Chavez. Today I will be sharing about the inventions in 1920. So I wasn't able to find so much on 1920. I was able to find two things. However, there was more things for 1920s in general. But today we're going to stick to 1920. So in 1920, there was two great inventions, which I use every day, and one of them is blow dryer. Second of them is a band-aid. Now, don't think I'm that clumsy. I don't use a band-aid for myself every day, but I am a preschool teacher, so I do use band-aids on a daily basis with my students. Um, since we're talking about the band-aid, let's go ahead and explore how the band-aid was made. So the band-aid was created by Errol Dickinson. He was an employee of Johnson Johnson Company. By this time, the company was already well established. They were selling a mass production of gauzes, arch gauzes, and Earl Dickinson had recently gotten married. His wife was very prone to accidents. She was always getting cuts and burns, and therefore, whenever that would happen, he would cut a small gauze and tape it to her burn. He had to do this so much that he decided to make a small production of band-aids. Instead of using adhesive tape, when it came to making the production of band-aids, they changed adhesive tape into adding a silicone fabric to it, and that gives you the brownish nude strip that we see on band-aids now, that piece that they added. And they made a small production to start off with, and then they started producing more. When they produced more, they distributed more band-aids to all the Boy Scout troops in America. And now, 100 billion band-aids later, they're still being used every day by Americans. So, what helped them really get out in the marketing was the fact that they distribute to the Boy Scouts for free, and what's it called? Well, people spreaded the word, and people started hearing about Band-Aids, so therefore Band-Aids became so popular. Then another great invention was the blow dryer. The blow dryer was created in 1920, and the blow dryer was created by a man who had a beauty salon. So those were the two great inventions of 1920. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe down below. Bye!